In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can use the Instagram map. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, this is a brand new feature, and in order for this to work for you, what you're going to want to do is open up Instagram and tap the DM icon either up in the top right or down towards the very bottom, and you're going to be on a section that looks something like this. Inside your messages, scroll across where these little stories or notes are, and you're going to see a little map section on here. If it's your first time, you're going to see a screen when you open it up explaining how it works, and it's going to let you see your friends on the map, discover places and posts, choose who could see your location, and no one can actually see your location until you share it. You'll get options like close friends, selected friends, all friends, no one, and it kind of works super similar to how the Snapchat Snap Map works. So choose who you want to share your location with. If you set it up, you will have to turn on your location preferences. So open up your settings just like so, and then scroll down to the very bottom where there's this app section, and then search for Instagram in here. Open it up and make sure that it says always on this section, and then it'll go ahead and update. Then from here, you can go ahead and back out, go back to Instagram, refresh it, and you'll see that map section on there. And you can turn this off at any time. So go up to the top settings in the map and you could stop sharing, or pause for 24 hours. And of course, you could just keep it off until you turn it back on. But that is how you can use the Instagram map feature to control exactly who could see where you are. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.